Hey ladies and gentlemen, so here's a quick update on the washing machine repair that I carried out. What I did was pulled out the PCB DC module and reworked it, or resoldered it if you like, and it's now been 2 weeks, and as you can see the machine is still running great. So that was a successful repair. I'm happy. If you're happy watching the videos, great, put a like on the video, subscribe, and stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now. Hey ladies and gentlemen, if you like the content, please put a like on the video, add a comment, and support me with your subscription. Thank you very much.